Hi, Uma Maheshwar.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Uma Maheshwar. Where are you from?
I'm from Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Okay. And how do you know about SVC Institute?
Through my friend, sir, and his name is Ravi Kumar. Recently, he got selected in Cognizant, sir.
Okay. And what did you learn from SVC during this 2 months training?
I've got full knowledge on the financial accounting and the research knowledge, sir.
Okay.
And the topics like investment banking, financial instruments, financial statements, and the mutual funds, sir.
Okay. Other than this, have you participated in any other activities?
Yes, sir. I've participated in German group discussions, and also this institute provided me with the real-time HR mock interviews and also the advanced Excel, which helped me to crack the interview, sir.
Okay. And share your interview experience.
Yes, sir. In my interview, there are 4 rounds. In the first round, HR round, sir, they'll check my communication skills. And the second round is my typing test. In the typing test, there will be a 30 words per minute, sir. I've cleared that. And the third round is about the manager round. Almost they have asked me around 14 to 15 questions. Most of the questions are covered about the investment banking. Even the director round, they've asked about the investment banking questions, sir.
Okay. Good to know that. And what is the salary package?
4.3 lakh per annum, sir.
Okay. And when you are going to join?
Tomorrow, sir.
Okay. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.